Hey everyone, today we have an exciting hands-on review of the yet-to-be-revealed Pixel 9 Pro XL in all its glory. Thanks to a Ukrainian YouTuber who managed to get his hands on this new Pixel device, we have a 19-minute detailed look at this flagship model. With all these details, it might feel like there's nothing left to unveil at the official announcement on August 13th. First impressions. The phone looks sleek from every angle, with Google seemingly taking a page out of Apple's book with those flat sides. The camera bump on the back is like a little island standing tall. The YouTuber even did a side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro. It turns out the Pixel 9 Pro XL is taller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not quite as tall as the S24 Ultra. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is definitely stealing the show next to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, let's talk design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to be drawing some major inspiration from the iPhone 14 and 15, especially in terms of shape and design. But hey, change can be good, right? We're all after that satisfying feel in our hands, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to promise just that. The front of the phone remains a mystery, keeping us in suspense about the software features and display specs. But a little mystery just adds to the excitement for the August 13th launch event. As for the new Tensor G4 chipset, it's reportedly only 15% faster than the G3, so it doesn't quite match the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, Google has managed to significantly improve battery life despite keeping the same 5,500 mAh capacity. The main attraction of Pixel phones has always been the camera, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't disappoint. It boasts an impressive 50-megapixel main lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel 5x periscope lens. The front-facing camera has also received a major upgrade, jumping from 10.5 megapixels to a whopping 42 megapixels. Even with similar specs to last year, we're hoping for some serious camera optimization in the 9 Pro XL model. Moving on, we've also received official marketing materials for the Pixel 9 series, highlighting the software features. The Pixel 9 series will focus heavily on AI with the introduction of new Google AI features. We've also heard about the new Pixel Satellite SOS feature, which works similarly to Apple's. We're excited to learn more about these new additions at the launch event on August 13th, where we'll also see the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So what are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let us know in the comments below. If you're excited about it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. I'll see you in the next one.